In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a track your order page to your Shopify store. We'll walk through to this step by step so you can follow along inside your own Shopify admin. By the end, your customers will be able to log in, see their orders, and click a tracking option directly from your store, which really improves their experience and reduces "where is my order" messages. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on Online Store. When you do this, a list of additional options will appear underneath. From that list, select Pages. This is where all the standalone pages on your site live, like your About page or Contact page, and it's also where we'll create the new tracking page. Once you're inside the Pages area, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Add Page. Click that. This opens a fresh blank page where we can set up the content for your order tracking. At the top, in the title field, give your page a clear name. A simple and effective option is Track Your Order. You can choose a variation if you prefer, but make sure it's something your customers will immediately understand when they see it in your menu or search results. Next, we're going to work with the content editor. This is the large text area in the middle of the page. By default, it shows a visual editor, similar to a word processor. We need to switch this to the HTML view so we can paste in the tracking code. To do that, look for the option that says Show HTML in the top right corner of the content editor and click it. The editor will change to show raw HTML code instead of formatted text. Now, copy the exact code shown in the tutorial and paste it into this HTML field. Take your time here. You may want to pause the video on the code section so you can clearly see everything and copy it accurately. Even a small typo in the code can prevent the page from working properly, so double check what you've pasted if something doesn't look right. Once the code is in place, the final step inside this page is to save your work. Look towards the top of the screen near the search bar and click the Save button. Shopify will confirm that your page has been saved successfully. With this done, your customers will now be able to log into their account on your store, view their order history, and click through to tracking from the new Track Your Order page you just created.